I don't believe trading below 1 times NAV is like the kiss of death in the Bitcoin Treasury space. I think that it's a phenomenon that you're going to see with several companies throughout this entire strategy. These valuations are going to ebb and flow, and the sentiment in the market's going to be a huge driver around these. But the other thing you need to consider is you need to look at, what's going around all the individual equities. So there was the one, it used to be Volcon. I think now it's Emperor Digital. They're trading below NAV. I think they're at like a 0.76 NAV at the moment right now as well. And you look at two of them, Sequans and Emperor, they both just had capital raises. So you have a huge amount of new shares that enter the market. And once investors have their shares, it's up to them what they're going to do with those shares. Some are going to hold them, some are going to sell them. So you've got this, sustained selling pressure that can come into the market because of the introduction of all those new shares. Some investors aren't going to stay along for the ride, even if you'd like them to be very long term. And so you've got that in the early days where you've got to look through and see, how many of these shares are going to trade hands over what period of time. And as a part of that, I think there's some considerations around when do you act, right? Do you act in the middle of that, or do you act when it seems like the selling pressure has subsided on that equity? The other thing that's popped out there is there's been a lot of people discussing, well, should you sell your Bitcoin to defend your NAV? And I am not a huge proponent of that right now. I think right now you're in the accumulation phase of these. I think you have to really think hard before you would take any actions that impact the actual Bitcoin holding.